Something we've been thinking about for quite a long time. We've used hot tubs in various other places and thoroughly enjoyed the experience. But also, these days, we have some back pain, quite a bit of back pain, and we think that might be beneficial. We've got 3 youngish grandchildren, sort of 12 and 15, and I think they will absolutely love it. I think we had WhatSpa Magazine. That was one of the first things we did, and we read through that and saw various, well, I think there were quite a few interesting pointers as to the things we should look for. For instance, that it's very essential to wet test as well as just looking at it, not buy on the internet, buy always through reputable companies. So that was the first stage. Then I think because MySpa is a local company, we looked at the place out at Rutland. Well, you went out there for another purpose and saw them, got chatting to people. We both went out there and chatted to them then. And then it all came to a stop because of COVID. But also because energy prices rose very significantly. And we were a little bit worried about the cost of running it. You know, you've got not only the electric, but the chemicals and the maintenance and so on. And so we're a little bit worried about that. Yeah. But in the meantime, we'd been thinking quite seriously about it. We'd extended the patio. We got chatting to our electrician and put the electrics in. And then MySpa contacted us, so we thought we would take advantage and go and have a look. We went along to the Leicester site and we had a good chat with them there, with Curtis there. He was very helpful. And then he suggested that we have the wet test, which we did on a very cold day when it was 0 degrees. Now, we looked at 3 different hot tubs, and the one we thought we would really like, we didn't. Yeah. It wasn't right for us. And this one seemed to do the job. They could deliver very quickly, which they've done, and they've installed it today. We think they've done a good job so far. From what we see, it seems to have gone very easily. You know, they turned up, they got it in without any problems. They put it in. They all worked very well together. Now we know that they're moving. We look forward to seeing their new site when they get it up and running. But from what we've seen so far, they're very good. They seem very professional. They've appeared so far to have done a very good job. We've also booked the maintenance contract where they'll come every 3 months, so you know, that will save us the trouble of doing it, because as you get older you find that doing heavy jobs is not something you really want to do all the time. Absolutely. So we sooner enjoy it, get the benefit health-wise and pleasure-wise, and let someone else do the work.